Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I am unboxing the newest kit from the Scrap Room. This is the Flavors of the Month kit, as well as the Embellishment Kit add-on. So, let's take a look at what we'll be getting this month. First up, as you can see on the top, is our house from Cartabella. And this looks like it's got some really beautiful, rich colors in it. So first up, you can see this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Good variety of options on that. Oh, and then this gorgeous paper, definitely screaming to be fussy cut. And then this red monochromatic print on the back side. And then a smaller, more simple print for flowers. Again, a monochromatic B-side. And then these hearts with the wood grain background. And then this side is pictures with lots of flowers. And of course we've got our cardstock to go with it. And the embellishment kit has, let me pull this out. Looks like it is frames and ephemera. I always want to say that word wrong. Okay, so you just got a good variety of little pieces here. Okay, so that is the Cartabella page kit. I'm gonna stick those all right back in, and then the next page kit is gonna be crate paper, and it is La La Love. So let's pull that out. Okay, so you can see definitely a Valentine's theme. This is the part that comes in the kit. So we've got these pretty papers, which I love the inclusion of the royal blue in there. And then this dotted notebook paper look. And then here's some more of that blue. And a back side with a simple floral. Some more hearts. And a fun ombre color blocking page. And then, of course, some coordinating cardstock. This is a really pretty color, unique. Let me look at the name on this one. Vanilla. Okay, and then you also will get a variety of ephemera and some 3D stickers. Let's take a look here. Okay, so there's some glittered stuff in there. Lots of tags and fun icons. And then this one is thicker stickers. And you can see there's glitter on those as well. And then the embellishment kit includes, make sure I get all of it here. Yes. So you get this sticker sheet, cardstock stickers, as well as some washi. And the washi, if I can get it at the right angle, you can see it is also glitter. So very pretty, very thematically appropriate for February. Should be lots of fun to work with. Then we have Pink Paisley. Nope, not Pink Paisley, I'm sorry, Echo Park. This reminds me of the colors of an older Pink Paisley one from last spring. That's why I said that. But this is Echo Park. I'm sorry about that. So you can see it's got really pretty colors on it. Brighter pink and a coral and greens and all kinds of fun patterns. Then you've got a B-side here with the yellow grid. And then another one with kind of a darker mint green background. And then words. And diagonal stripes, along with some birthday clouds. White cardstock. And then ephemera. As well as some enamel dots, which always make me happy. see various tags. Okay, so a fun birthday themed one there. And then in the embellishment kit, you get this 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. So lots of fun to be had there. A nice feminine birthday page kit. Finally, we have Simple Stories. And this is Kissing Booth. So we've got this really pretty patterned paper with the stripes. And then the B side, just some simple dots, which there you can see it. Can't quite see it far away. And then a pretty plaid. And then another buffalo check plaid. And some X's and O's. The embellishments within the Flavors of the Month kit include some stickers and ephemera. Okay, so lots of different little pieces. These ones are a little bit smaller than the other ones in the kit, which is nice to have some variety. And last but not least, we've got the chipboard that accompanies this kit. So be sure to check out the kits over at the Scrap Room. I'll link you up down below. If you're going over there from here, make sure you mention that I sent you, because she likes to give away prizes to people who've come over from my videos. And keep an eye out. I will be using these kits throughout the month of February.